Oh, I picked up a bazooka. That's cool. Oh, Thomas, you're AFK.
I'm in. Aiden.
Are we not playing like that, or?
Aiden, it might be good to play this with a
Aiden,
controller.
add me. It's yes. It's Schultz.
Oh my god, my car's on fire!
How do I add you? I'm not. How do you get to? What's the home screen button?
Press home.
Home.
Just press home on your keyboard. Christ, you guys
the
have never
Windows
used
key?
computers before.
I
No,
see.
home.
The
home
It says
key.
home on it.
I
By
have
the
a
insert
60%
key.
keyboard. I don't know which one's home.
Yeah,
Christ's
Aiden
sake,
doesn't have a
Aiden.
home button.
You don't have a
This is what
home
you
button.
get,
You're
Aiden.
gonna have to remap it then.
Get a function.
Can I just use my Xbox controller?
Yeah. Just
Thomas, how do I type? How do I type in thing, Thomas?
probably be
Press
Xbox.
Y.
I'm just gonna, I'm gonna plug in my Xbox controller for you.
Thomas, take me to Times Square, please.
Okay, this is much better.
Okay. Taking you.
Yeah, Kyle, I still don't have a friend yet. Lucas, using your Xbox controller too?
No. Thomas!
Sorry about that. Still hate you.
Man, this is. You can't even drive if you have a car.
Oh, hello, sir. Did you hear my horn?
I did. Your head must hit it.
Oh, I can't get on top of this swing set anymore.
I see this chud guy. How do I wave?
Oh, this is Radio Vladivostok.
Oh!
Thomas, don't kill him.
Okay, where are you guys on the map?
I have no idea where I am.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the
I
airport.
pissed the cops off though.
Thomas is run over.
I'm gonna go to the airport.
Oh shit. Thomas, I'll come to you.
Aiden, stop in the name of the law.
Okay, the game is
Hop
gonna
in.
spawn you close to everybody, but just look on the map
No,
and see
you
where the colored
bastard.
dots are.
I want that car.